Hi, today I'm gonna show you how Axioma Calcosonic W1 meters should be installed properly. All the main do's and don'ts of the installation and mounting process. First of all, the gasket. It is really important to note that only brand new rubber gaskets should be used, because used and old ones tend to harden too much and also crack, even if it's not visible at first sight. Both of which, as qualities, are really to be avoided if we want good hermetic sealing. If you're using old gaskets, it might be difficult to seal, or as well it might need unnecessary and harmful force to tighten the connection. Secondly, the maximum torque force on the connection nut must not be exceeded, as specified in the installation instructions. Otherwise, the meter could be damaged beyond repair. Composite material is really tough and robust. However, over-tightening of the fittings might damage the thread irreversibly. So, please avoid this at all costs. For example, maximum torque force for a DN15 diameter meter is 30 Newton meters. Exact numbers are indicated in the instructions found in every meter's packaging. Usually, it may be a little less, but never more than that. Also, if at first it is not easy, so to speak, catch or hit the thread, please do not use brute force on that and better start over. Torsion of the pipe nut should always go smoothly. It is necessary to start tightening using hands only, and only after that use a wrench. Most importantly, prior to mounting the meter, please level the axles of the pipes accordingly. Water pipes must be aligned in the same axis. If the axles of the pipes are not aligned, a huge risk of lateral stress and breaking the meter arises, either instantly or afterwards. If the body of a meter breaks while it has water running through it, the premises might be flooded. And, of course, none of us wants that. In a case where aligning the axles of the pipes is not easily available, we would recommend to either choose a different mounting place or use a flexible pipe connector like this. These were the most important points to cover. However, there are last few tips to bear in mind in order to get good results in the installation process. I would have to say that the meter should be only mounted in the water supply system accordingly to the flow direction indicated on the meter's body. That is an arrow symbol on the measurement section. Otherwise, it would not measure water flow correctly. No additional sealing materials for the thread of the meter is needed. Proper rubber gaskets with properly tightened nut, not too long or too loose, will ensure sufficient sealing. The length of the pipe nut must be big enough to cover almost all of the thread of the meter. Preferably, only 1-2 thread turns may be left uncovered because of the gasket. Our meters can be mounted many ways: horizontally, vertically, diagonally. Regarding proper functioning of ultrasound water measurement, the pipes must be completely filled with water and pressurized. Pipe end after the meter should not be left open, and water pressure at the output of the meter should be at least 0.3 bar. If you follow these instructions, we believe that the whole process of installing our meters will be easy and smooth. We will continue this presentation by showing you how it is done in detail. Before installing the meter, please make sure that the valves are closed and the pipe is drained. Also make sure that only new gaskets are used. We should start tightening using hands only, and only after that we're gonna use the wrench. We take another gasket. Maximum torque force on the connection nut must not be exceeded as specified in the installation instructions. If you made sure that the connection nuts are tightened properly, you may release the valves. If you follow these instructions, we believe that the whole process of installing our meters will be easy and smooth. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.